In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the menu bar on Squarespace. Whether you're just starting with your Squarespace website or looking to make a few adjustments, understanding how to reposition your menu bar can be a game changer for your site's design and functionality, offering your users a more seamless experience. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace editor. This is where all the magic happens. If you're not familiar with accessing this, simply log into your Squarespace account and select the website you want to edit. Once you're there, your editing journey begins. Next, look for the option that says Edit Site Header. Clicking on this brings up several site-wide settings, especially focusing on your header area, which is crucial because it contains your menu bar, the central focus for today's tutorial. This is where you can personalize many of your site's main navigation elements. Now, navigate over to Navigation. Clicking this will allow you to dive deeper into the specific elements of your menu. From here, you can manipulate aspects like text, links, and most importantly, the structure of your menu bar. When you've accessed the navigation settings, you'll see an option to Edit. Go ahead and click on that. This will enable you to start customizing the positioning of menu items and make necessary edits according to your preference. This step is vital for when you want to rearrange how things are displayed on your website. Now, find the specific menu option you want to move. Click and hold that particular menu item. You should be able to drag it around to reposition it. This part of the process is particularly satisfying, as you can see changes happening immediately and exactly how they will appear to visitors on your site. After you've meticulously positioned your menu items, it's time to ensure they're styled correctly. Select Edit Design to enter the design mode. Within this mode, you'll be able to modify not just positions, but the overall aesthetic of your menu bar. While in design editing, take the time to adjust your link spacing. This small tweak can significantly enhance readability and make your menu look more organized. Visitors should find it easy on the eye and intuitive to navigate. Beyond link spacing, adjusting the element spacing overall will help to create a well-balanced menu. A little more space in the right places can make your design appear uncluttered and professionally polished. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks and feels, don't forget to click on Save. This is a critical step to ensure that all your hard work is preserved. If you skip this, you could potentially lose all your changes, requiring you to start from scratch again. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully moved and customized your menu bar on Squarespace. Your website should now look more dynamic and user-friendly, offering your visitors an improved browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.